and get a deeper understanding of similar triangles. Consider two similar triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Vertices ABC correspond to vertices PQR. Okay, these triangles are similar, but what else do similar triangles convey? What do they tell us about the sides and the angles? Well, quite a lot, I would say. First, let's look at the sides. Similar triangles always have their corresponding sides in proportion. In these two triangles, based on the correspondence, side AB corresponds to side PQ, AB and PQ. Similarly, side BC corresponds to side QR and side CA corresponds to side RP. Corresponding sides in proportion means the ratio of all three pairs of corresponding sides will be equal. The ratio of AB to PQ will equal the ratio of BC to QR will equal the ratio of CA to RP. AB and PQ are corresponding sides, BC and QR are corresponding sides, and CA and RP are also corresponding sides. But what does this actually mean? It means that each side is scaled up or scaled down by the same factor. Here, factor with which AB is increased to get PQ is the same as the factor with which BC is increased to get QR, or as the factor with which CA is increased to get RP. So remember, when the triangles are similar, the corresponding sides will always be in proportion. Now let's get to the angles. Similar triangles always have the same shape. What does that tell us about the angles? Yes, the measures of corresponding angles of similar triangles will be equal. Based on the correspondence of vertices, angle A corresponds to angle P, angle B corresponds to angle Q, and angle C corresponds to angle R. So angle A will be congruent to angle P. This can also be written as measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle P. It means if we take a protractor and measure these two angles, they will be equal. Similarly, angle B will be congruent to angle Q and angle C will be congruent to angle R. When the triangles are similar, their corresponding angles will be equal. So we can deduce all this when we are given that two triangles are similar. Here we were given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Is similar to can be replaced with this sign. So this can be read as triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Actually, it also works the other way around. If we were given either of these conditions, we can say that the triangles are similar. Remember, either of the conditions. So if we are told that all pairs of corresponding sides are in proportion, we can be sure that the triangles are similar. Or even if we were told that the corresponding angles are equal, we can be sure that the triangles are similar. And get a deeper